Newly promoted Premier League team Molynes United have been boosted by the arrival of a former national player. But preparations for the CASAFA Super League champions are less than ideal. Renata Brown reports.
After 2 seasons at Mount Pleasant Football Academy, former national striker Devon Hodges is on the move again. And another promoted team is his destination. The 35-year-old is looking forward to the new challenge at Molynes United.
It was a very good experience at Mount Pleasant. I've been at Mount Pleasant for 2 years from Super League. It was a good experience. Still, I learned a lot last season. Still learning as the days go by, but it was a good experience, as I said. Just decided to move. Well, not decided to move, it's just some personal issues. I decided to join Molynes.
Meanwhile, the team has been forced to prepare for their debut season in less than ideal conditions.
The truth should be told, we shouldn't have been here training. We should be at Jessishira Park. That field was awarded to us over years ago. But because of unfortunate situation, while we are still here. But we're still planning on go there to train, and I hope that's the field will be ready for us to continue our training program. Because as you can see the situation in the field, this is not ready for play. That's for marble, much less football. But we don't have any other choice. So we have to hold on to what we have until we get what we want.
Molynes United could also have an overseas-based player on their roster at the start of the season, with Canadian Mackenzie Longpre looking to make his RSPL debut.
Yeah, I think like any club, you look forward to winning a trophy. This is a good club here. There's a lot of good players, so I'm sure they're very fortunate to look forward to a lot of good things ahead.
You can hear the plans for Molynes United and other top-flight teams on TVJ Sense Inside the Premier League. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.